Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to change your card pin or to set up a pin on your Commonwealth credit card. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to log in into your account. You can use an application or a web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So when you're logged in, you have to go ahead and tap on the card, swipe across to the right card. After that, tap on the card, then you need to go ahead and tap on the yellow circle above choose card pin. When you've done with that procedure, enter the confirmation, enter and confirm your new card pin, then tap the confirm button. However, the procedure will be different if you have already set a pin and if you wish to change it. Below, you can find an option as change. You could go ahead and press that, and then you could go ahead and enter your Commonwealth Bank pin or the current pin. Then you'll be proceeded to create a new pin. You just have to do that, follow the prompt, and you'll have successfully changed your card pin. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.